What it do? It's your boy, B-Town, on College Station. Fucking with my man, Jay. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need to know. Goddamn, we just chilling, you know, kicking it like the dudes, like the fellas do. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's like Tuesday. Niggas been getting money all day, working in the studio all day, chilling all day. My niggas been fucking hoes all day. I've been in the studio all day, but my niggas been fucking hoes all day. So if you're wondering where your girlfriend at, been at, I'ma say it like this, man. I think I seen her. She was coming out of F7.
Apartment F7?
For real. I think I seen her, though. I ain't bullshit.
F8, cause you know she had to be with my ass. I'll let you know that now.
You need to slow down.
Ain't shit to say. I don't say shit about it.
I think you show you everything you can plan. I show you what it is.
Get him in.
All day.